Hi guys! Today we will learn how to use a gift card on Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app on your phone because we need to access some account settings. Once the app opens, you'll see the More option at the bottom right side of your screen. Now, simply tap on it so we can explore additional options. Honestly, this is where most of the important account features are located. After that, scroll down a little because we're looking for the Help and Safety option. Keep scrolling until you find it in the list of available settings. Now tap on Help and Safety to move forward. So basically, this section will help us reach the Redeem option. Once you enter the Help and Safety section, tap on the Help option again. As soon as you click here, a new support page will open on your screen. Now you will see a search bar where we can search for the Redeem guide. Luckily, this will lead us to the official Redeem instructions. Now tap on the Search, our articles option available at the top. Here you need to type the word Redeem in the search bar. After searching, you will see the first result in blue color. So simply tap on How to redeem and spend your gift card. After clicking on that article, a web page will open in front of you. Here you will see the roblox.com/redeem link highlighted in red color. Now tap on this link because the redeem process works through a browser. Honestly, you cannot redeem your gift card directly inside the app. Now the browser will open and you just need to log into your Roblox account. After logging in, you will see the Redeem option on your screen. Simply enter your gift card code in the redeem box. And that's it. Your Roblox gift card will be successfully redeemed. So, this is how you can easily use a gift card on Roblox step by step. Now you can redeem your rewards without any confusion. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment below if this helped you.